What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. This is the 2020 all-wheel drive Police Interceptor utility with 90,663 miles at the time of this recording. Drives great. Everything works great. It's got cruise control, Bluetooth, rear view camera system, side monitoring system, backup monitoring system. It's got a naturally aspirated 3.3 liter V6, and it does have the partition in it with the plastic seat. However, I can have that removed, and I probably will in the next few days get that removed and put a vinyl cushion back seat in it. So now, if somebody gets a hold of me real quick and tells me not to, then because they want to buy it as is. But most likely this is just going to go to a family. It gets the government's #1 crash test rating, so it's the safest for your family. These are the only vehicles in the world that are crash tested to be rear-ended by another vehicle that's traveling 75 miles per hour. So if you're at a complete stop and somebody rear ends you that's traveling up to 75 miles per hour, it's not going to turn into an accordion, and it's not going to explode or catch on fire, because they're made to not do that. They're the only vehicles in the world that are crash tested for that. It's got reinforced framing, which also prevents body roll, so that it stays in the lane of travel on curvy roads at high speeds. So it most likely has ballistic proof panels underneath the front door panels, and those will stop a 7.62 by 39 millimeter AK-47 round, which is quite a powerful round, so that's pretty impressive. Not that anybody's going to ever need that. But it is a performance and safety oriented vehicle. It's always been professionally maintained and upkept. It's a one-owner vehicle. Spotlight works. I removed the bulb for the spotlight on the passenger side because in the state of Oregon it is not legal to have a passenger side equipped spotlight. And I've got the cruise control set right now at 70 miles per hour. You have a low gear right here. If you press that little button, it'll downshift it. Keep it at a lower gear at a higher RPM range where it's more responsive. But this is these are great vehicles. I just got this dropped off a couple days ago, along with a 2021 that I just did a video of and took some pictures of and got advertised. So most likely in the next couple of days, this partition's going to be out of here, and it's going to have a brand new vinyl cushion back seat. I've got a few vinyl cushion back seats for these, so yeah, thing drives perfect. So over the regular civilian Ford Explorers, these have heavier duty wheels, tires, suspension, brakes, cooling and charging systems, and also a tighter turn radius. So all that heavy duty equipment translates into optimum performance and handling on the road. It's also got stainless steel dual exhaust. So and this has a wraparound push bar on the front of it. So there's a lot of wildlife out here in Central Oregon, And most likely if a deer runs out in front of you, it's not going to total the vehicle out. And it's just these are amazing vehicles. Some people, you could put a nice LED light bar on the on that push bar. Those come in handy when we get 8 feet of snow in Central Oregon over here usually every year, and those come in handy. LED light bars come in pretty handy when there's a blizzard out and you can't see very far ahead of you on the highway. It's good to drive with your headlights on, and technically you're not supposed to drive with a LED light bar lit up on public roads, but when it's a blizzard out, it's, in my opinion, it's fine. I do it in the wintertime in my Suburban because you can't see anybody, and you can't even see people's headlights until they're like right in front of you when they're coming at you. So during blizzard conditions, it's great to have so that people can see that there's somebody coming on the highway. So anyway, scoop this up before the next person does. If you want that vinyl cushion back seat in it, and I haven't done it yet, I will put that vinyl cushion back seat in it. It's brand new. Came out of a brand new vehicle when they upfitted it, and nobody's even sat in it. So go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. And most likely in this vehicle, nobody's ever going to cut you off or tailgate you or drive crazy around you. And people usually drive pretty safe when they see this vehicle on the road when they're around it. So you guys be safe. Take care. Later.